Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on, how to enable offline mail in Gmail. So very simple and basic way. Just you have to firstly sign in your Gmail. Then this gear icon, then click on see all settings. Now here you will see option offline, click on it. Now to enable offline mail, check this box. Now just you have to check this box, enable offline mail. Now here you will see some settings like you can check storage using 16 MB of 264 GB available for offline mail on your computer. It can be different as your PC. Sync settings, store emails from the last 730 or 90 days. Also you can attach downloads. Also guys, you can download attachments. And for security, after logging out of my Google account, you can select this option, keep offline data on my computer. Data stored on your device will not be deleted when signing out of your Google account or when changing your password. To delete account data from your device, disable offline mail and save changes. And also guys, you can select this option, remove offline data from my computer. Data will need to be resynced to your computer when logging back into Gmail. It may take a few hours to resync the mailbox. Gmail may become less responsive while syncing. So make sure this setting, then click on Save Changes. Offline not recommended for shared device. Emails will remain on this device until offline mail is disabled. Click on Got it. So this is the way guys you can enable offline mail in Gmail. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this video useful for you or not.